bougie people, welcome back to my channel. Today, I think I have the first ever family haul. Right, guys?
Family haul.
I don't think we have ever done a haul together, like the three of us.
I don't think so.
So today I am very excited. Scott and Crystal are gonna share the gifts that they got for the holidays because I thought, first of all, my boys would benefit from seeing what Scott got. And Crystal got some cool stuff, even for grown-ups, right, Lala?
Yeah, because I'm cool.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with Scott's gift because he has a commitment and he has to leave. Show them what you got, babe.
I want to show them this first because I've been wanting to wear this since I got it.
These.
No, this is my tank top. Oh, it's my underwear.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's my tank top.
But let me show them the close-up before you unbox. But you know, Scott is not an unboxing professional, so here we go.
But yeah, I've been wanting to wear this since you got it for me because it fits really good.
So it's like a fitted form tank top. It has a logo right here, the Versace logo, and it's a very stretchy material, so it looks nice and fitted on. Very, very flattering. For the boys in the audience, I got this for a great deal. I'm gonna try to find it and put it in the description box below, but you can wear this as underwear around the house or out with jeans or shorts if it's really hot, right, babe?
Yeah, exactly.
How do you intend on wearing this outside?
Yeah, I'll wear that. I'm gonna wear it outside,
gym.
like when we go places. Not to the gym. It's not skimpy enough to go to the gym.
Scott likes to show off his muscles. So cliche. All right, babe. Now, gift number 2 for Scott.
Gift number 2 is right here from Louis Vuitton. Logan's gonna help me out.
Yeah, our kitty cat is walking here. He wants to join.
So these are actually really cool. I've been wanting some of these for a while, but you don't know what it is yet.
This is my gift to Scott for Christmas. You gotta show the unboxing, babe. Yeah, babe. Put those muscles to work, bro.
I just want to open it. Ooh.
They have to participate on the experience.
Tissue.
Woo!
Ooh.
Yes!
Louis Vuitton high tops. Erica's been bugging me to get a pair of shoes for a while now, but I'm very picky with my shoes because I'm not like you. I just don't buy everything that's new. I have to really like it to want it.
Scott never wants to buy anything. It is a war.
Listen, I buy at least 2 to 5 pops every month.
Pops.
Funko Pops.
Yeah, but you cannot wear Funko Pops.
They look cool in my room though.
Scott would.
But these actually are really nice. I'm excited to have some more nice, like, just going out chilling sneakers, and I like these ones a lot.
Yeah. And Scott says that they are very comfortable, right, babe?
They're very comfortable.
Were they true to size?
Yeah, they fit me really well, so I wear a 10.5, and that's what I got for these shoes too.
I like it because they're a logo, but they're still kind of neutral because it is gray and black, right?
Yeah.
They're gonna match.
And I like the gray and black the most, you know that.
Yeah, it's Scott's favorite monogram is the gray and black, which I love as well. I think it's a bit more masculine, right?
Soon he'll have all gray and black monograms.
Yes, everything he has is in this. But I think it's cool and a little bit different than the regular brown one, right?
I think it's way cooler.
You happy with your gift, babe?
Very happy. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Now get out of my face. Thanks, babe.
Bye, guys.
All right, so now we're gonna move on to Crystal's gifts. Lala, how long has it been since you've been in one of my videos?
Probably like a shopping vlog forever ago. You guys probably don't know I exist anymore.
She used to hang out with me a lot, but now she has a boyfriend.
I hang out with you and my boyfriend. You guys are my only friends.
She used to be on every Miami trip, but you know, now with her school and boyfriend, she doesn't come as often. She's still very much my companion. Yeah, I complain too much because I just want her all for myself, like all the time, and I'm selfish, but she still goes out with me a lot. The trip's a little trickier, but local, we always go out together, right, Lala?
Yes, I think I'll be here until I get married.
Brazilian style, that's how we do it. So we'll start with Crystal's unboxings for this holiday season.
So here's my Prada present, and I was like, what is this at first? So here it is.
And we were shopping together when I got this for her.
Well, I didn't realize that until I noticed what it was. So it's a water bottle. They have 2 other colors, red and silver. I liked the black one the best because I thought the logo stood out. And I just thought it looked very clean. And then it also comes with another top. So here's the other top, which is just plastic. This one is like the same metal as the bottle.
So what is the other top? What is the difference? Oh, it has a spout.
Like a little straw, like a little straw.
Now, what I love about it is that you can carry it like this. Lala. It has like this little like handle.
My thoughts on designer water bottles is that they're very frivolous object. I would never buy this myself, but I am glad my mom bought it for me because I do drink water a lot and I always have a water bottle with me. Like, I cannot last an hour without water. So it is an object that I use, and it does make me feel a little bit more bougie.
She carries her water bottle with her everywhere she goes. So when I saw this, I thought, what a cute like side gift for her.
Okay, next up is this Dior box, and here's what it looks like. It's from their holiday beauty collection, and it comes inside with all these different lipsticks. It comes with 4. It comes with one in here as well, which is very beautiful. It's like etched all over the casing. But this is like not only comes with lipsticks, you can also turn this into a bag as well, which is what I'm going to be using it as. And it comes with its own specific chain. So don't come for me and be like, oh my god, you're making like a little beauty pouch out of like a bag. Well, it's actually meant to be a bag.
Yeah, it was meant to be kind of like a minaudière, which I thought was very clever, right? What a great Christmas gift. You give somebody makeup, but then they have a forever minaudière. And it was very hard to get this. We just kind of got lucky and walked into Neiman Marcus once, and I was like, let me just ask, and the lady had it, and I couldn't even believe it.
So this is what it looks like with the chain on. And, I mean, obviously you can take this whole insert out and it becomes like its own little bag for you to put stuff in it. And you can actually fit like a decent amount of stuff too. So this was like sold out everywhere because of TikTok.
TikTok is making everything sell out. So as you can tell, see, it's all etched. And then here you have the lipstick inside. The lipstick is also completely etched. It's so beautiful. And then if you open the lipstick, there is Christian Dior stamped on the lipstick. They thought about every single little detail. Now on the inside here, you can see the close-up of all of the lipsticks. We should show them the colors, Lala. These are the 3 colors that it comes with. There is one more that is on the side. It is 2 satins and 2 matte colors. And like Crystal mentioned, you can remove this insert right here and then this becomes completely empty. You can totally fit your card, maybe some small keys. Look at like the profile view. So I believe you might still be able to find this. I know my Neiman Marcus in Orlando still had it left, but it looks so good, Lala. Perfect night bag.
I think it's really cute. I know, like, I posted a video on my TikTok, and you know how people just like to hate, and they're like, it looks cheesy. I'm like, okay, do you have this?
I don't think it looks cheesy at all, and I am super picky, and I would have never purchased it for my daughter if I thought it looked cheesy. I think it looks very beautiful. If you want something inexpensive and you want to rock a Dior bag at night for $190, this is the perfect thing to do.
Yeah, because I'll never get anything Dior. This and the sunglasses is all I have from Dior.
She will. You will. Maybe you wait a little bit, but she will eventually.
Like 10 years.
She's working me, people.
It's okay.
She's working me.
I can't complain.
Next. Oh my God. So this brand for bitches. So this is a brand I never knew existed until Crystal showed it to me, okay? And I fell in love.
So this is called the For Bitches Bow Bag, and they have a bunch of different colors in this bag. They also make, I saw they have a butterfly one. I don't know if they sell that anymore, but they also have a different style of bag as well that they sell in lots of different colors and patterns, but I loved this one, and it was also on sale.
Oops.
And if you didn't know, Dua Lipa also was seen wearing this bag. She had the pink one. But it's like a little Barbie bag. It's made out of a polyurethane, so it is like, you know, plastic. And this is how you open it and close it.
I thought this was so cool. I'm definitely borrowing this to do my looks for Instagram because it is such a fashion forward bag. The brand is so much fun. So if you're looking for a mid-range bag, super stylish, you have to check out For Bitches.
Because, you know, like, a lot of people have Louis Vuitton and stuff, but I feel like this is a very unique piece that people are like, whoa, like, what is that, you know? Okay, last gift is a big gift, and it's definitely not something that I expected to get because there was 2 different versions of this, and once I unbox it, I'll tell you more.
Van Cleef!
So here it is. It's the little mother of pearl little butterfly necklace. And because we were talking about like Christmas presents and what to ask for a little while back, and I was like, oh, you know, I love butterflies. I think that they're like if a butterfly crosses your path, it's good luck. So anyway, I love butterflies, and so I really love the butterfly Van Cleef. But I saw how expensive it was, and then like they surprised me with the butterfly one, which is the one I really wanted.
We had to order it because the butterfly was not available in stores. Actually, everything was really limited for Christmas. I was scared I wouldn't even be able to order it for her, but then my sales associate said, good thing you ordered it when you did, like super early, because then it was completely gone. So I'll show you the up close. It is the Sweet Butterfly Van Cleef collection, which is the one that is a bit more dainty. So Krista, why did you decide to go with white? You could have gotten like black, all gold necklace.
I wear a lot of white. I personally gravitate towards light colors a lot more, which is white compared to like black. So I just think I would get more use out of the white one, and it's just more like my style, my aesthetic.
So that's it. This is very special because this was her first Van Cleef piece ever, and she only got this because Crystal is a really good daughter, and Crystal is so responsible with school and her schoolwork, and she's doing a very hard degree. She's doing computer science in the College of Engineering, and that takes a lot of work, and she works so hard and she gets good grades, and Crystal knows this, but Crystal doesn't get designer all the time at all, only on special occasions, birthday, Christmas, or if there's like a very important achievement, you know, because I think it's important for us to teach her to work for things, right? So she got this because she really deserved it.
Yeah, God knows how many times I cried this past semester at school. The only time I cried at school was this semester.
She's always so stressed out, but I tell her it's gonna pay off. It paid off for me. It's gonna pay off for her forever, right? So you can actually regulate the size. It has two little rings, and you can make it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer. So look at that. So doing like a cute little stack with her other necklace. You know, stack necklaces right now are super hot. So she can mix this with her fashion jewelry, make cute little looks. If you are considering, I think that the Sweet collection are great entry-level pieces, guys. They have the bracelets, which I would love to stack the bracelets, you know, like this, in different colors, in red, in black. Such cute pieces for you to collect. So Merry Christmas to you.
It's a very expensive hobby.
Thank you so much for being on my video. I love you so much.
Yes, I love you too.
Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed our family haul and their Christmas gifts. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with us. Love you guys. Bye.